What is up, guys? I know it's been a while since I've done the little dev video like this, but some other shit happened over the summer, and now I'm back. I want to get back into doing this quite regularly, like every month now. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, I started to stream my game dev process too on Twitch at Reality Smasher 47. Give me a follow over there. And yeah, so I wanted to work with a lot of UI elements. Like there's this little story going on, and there's like forest and everything. Yeah. I wanted to make this little text-based game over a couple of weeks. It would help me learn some like setting some things to active, inactive, create a timer so you can't press on those things after a while, and create some traps, add a whole nother inventory system, help me work with like script extensions and enumerators and stuff, but it's all about Unity UI. Most of what I learned was from a viewer named DevBB. He was dope. Yeah, let's gather some wood. Yeah, built a wood cart that helps me gather wood faster. Yeah, this is pretty much what I got in 2 weeks. Then it keeps on going. Let's see if I can get it to get to the next part of the game where I build a hut. I kind of got a little too frustrated with this project and said, no, fuck, I'm just going to start another one. I learned enough of what I can from this. I'm going to just say, hey, next project. See, now it's a lone hut. And eventually people are going to move in, yep. See, then it starts gathering wood every few seconds. So yeah, this is actually a kind of like a small game. That is about as far as I got. I got one more thing, but that kind of doesn't work, and it's kind of the reason why I gave up. So yeah, next thing I want to work on is probably a continuation of this idea where you're a guy in a cabin and you start building a village around you. Just instead of text-based, it'll be 2D, you know? So yeah, I'm probably just gonna wing it on that. You can view me making this over the next little while on Twitch. The link will be down in the description. So yeah, let's take a look. What else can I talk about? You know what? Yeah, just let the Visual Studio open up because it's slow as fuck all the time, and activate Windows because I'm too lazy to do it. You know. Wow. I'm probably just going to end up using a lot of like free assets I find on the internet to make this. It's very not so edited video because I suck. So yeah, this is like a comment to the living shit out of it. I used Text Mesh Pro GUI or Text Mesh Pro Game Engine UI. Worked with a lot of buttons, used private images. This is just my start function. This is like the main function I call is to update the main text. And mine it's kind of doesn't, half of this doesn't really work, and that's I guess kind of it was just more of a learning experience above all else. So yeah, I'm just going to end it here for today. I know it's only like a 5-minute video, but yeah. See you guys next month.